Go ahead.
You want to talk?
Yeah, tell people who you are.
Well, listen, I'm here from 1951, January the 1st. And I'm know Kensington just like I know my country back home, even better. So a lot of good people, one of them here in the front of me, who likes the relish. And he told me to buy some relish, I like it. You know what relish was it? What's the name? The relish is
Coronation.
Carnation.
Show it to the camera.
And the relish is carnation.
Show it to the camera, the relish.
Yeah, carnation. And when he left a couple of days ago, next day I went right away and I called the company and I said I want 25 cases of relish.
Jeez Louise.
Yes, right. So the relish came and we're waiting for customer for it. Thank you very much and have a nice day.
What's your name, please?
Zoli, Z-O-L-I, Hungarian.
Hungarian.
Yeah.
You've been in Canada since 51.
Pardon?
You've been in Canada since 51.
I left 51.
Did you come when they had the Russian?
No, 56 was the rush.
Yeah.
I came earlier. I was smarter.
You were smarter.
I wasn't paid the last minute.
Smart man.
Yeah.
Good man. Good store.
Thank you very much.